Haitian Women of Miami is a not-for-profit social advocacy agency that has been providing services to low-income families in Miami since 1991. FANM is a constant whirlwind of activities, the phone ringing non-stop while clients wait to be seen with all kinds of needs, one as urgent as the next.
Today headlines read that half of the population in South Florida live in poverty. Researchers indicate that about 21% of households in Miami-Dade County live under the federal poverty level.
He's living in poverty.
Very catastrophic.
He was laid off and lost it all.
Nearly 1 million people
cannot put a roof over their heads.
Jobless across the state.
Almost a little embarrassing.
The face of poverty in Florida is changing.
And 29% can barely make it, can barely sustain what we call a survival budget. However, we are here in Little Haiti. Little Haiti is in the city of Miami. The city of Miami is called the city of the extremes, where excessive wealth lives side by side with, dire poverty. And then most of our clients here at FANM, Haitian Miami, the Haitian Women of Miami, which is located in Little Haiti, live under the poverty guidelines, and over 50% are unemployed. FANM is trying to organize and start this thrift shop in order to raise unrestricted funding to sustain the organization and help us keep our doors open. The grants as we know them are dwindling every day. The economy is still fragile. Many people depend on our services for their survival. And what is extremely important with FANM is that not only we provide life-saving quality services, we also give a voice to our clients to advocate for themselves. We organize them locally, statewide, and nationally to be a voice for themselves.
FANM is very, very important for all people, Spanish, Black American, and Asian.
FANM helped me the class parenting.
It gives all information you need. Even you don't have the service, it tell you where you can go.
I am very happy for FANM help the community.
Since I have a breast cancer, FANM never let me down. They help me everywhere for the food, if I do like to get the food, for the transportation. Sometimes the lady come here, go with me to the doctor. Sometimes I can walk.
Make a pledge to make a donation to FANM today and support our efforts to provide services that strengthen families, because strong families make strong communities. Help us transform the lives of those less fortunate.